Growing up, I came on a poor family but rich in exhortation. Way back when I was young, my parents kept telling me the importance of education in life. They always have this saying that you have to finish your studies because that is the only wealth that we can offer to you. And I believe on that. Ladies and gentlemen, viewers, today I am going to speak about the essence of education. Allow me to be in front of you all to learn my knowledge and experience about education. I am Noraina Arba, student from College of Teacher Education, taking the degree program of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. And I am here to justify that education is a path towards betterment. Education offers unlimited opportunities, and that's the power of education. It makes everyone enhance their confidence to speak in front of many people, just like what I am doing right now. Allow me to speak first the importance of education in our lives. As we all know, everyone now has the chance and opportunity to go to school and have an education. Since we have now schools, universities, and colleges that offers us to have an education. Upon having an education in life, we students can relate and express ourselves. We have the chance to strive harder for our dreams, knowing that everyone has a dream, right? Yes, of course. Many people say that education is the key to the successful life, and it can grant us ability to fight against ignorance and poverty. Well, that is absolutely right. We go to school to learn something new that builds us as a better humans and to secure our future. That is why education is important in our lives. Education offers equality because education is offered to everyone, meaning both ladies and gentlemen has the right to go to school and earn education. Education also equips individuals with knowledge, skills, confident to navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and contribute positively to their community. Education plays a pivotal role in career development, job readiness, and economic prosperity by providing individuals with the necessary skills and qualifications to succeed the workforce. Education promotes global awareness, cultural understanding, and social responsibility, shaping us individuals to become informed global citizens who advocate for positive change and social justice. Right? Of course, just like in our lives, challenges can be experienced in education, like the financial support for our education, transportation, resource limitation, and the need for educational reforms to ensure quality education for all. But on the other hand, challenges are just challenges. We are humans. We used to do and think what are the possible solutions to the problems and challenges that we've encountered. No money, no car, no problem. We have public schools that offers education without tuition. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end my speech with a remarkable quote. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. I sincerely appreciate that I have the chance to present to all of you my experience and knowledge about education nowadays. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a good day.